My country people, I don't vex, fine, if I come today, say my talk for una. Yes, I don't vex, fine, if I say my come today, talk for una. If some people, they say, take me clown, I tell you, una say I be the king of red dragons for the BLM. If he did, they say, people that they want try me see, they get a very short time. No one come no day for the BLM one, no. I don't sorry my brothers, but he did, they say, the one do thing where, if you tell una, I will give them even few months. Yes. I tell una. My country people, for all man we don't follow this platform, I go breaking news day. You see Mr. Ashu Ojong, when I'm mayor for Manfi, you see how this our amber foolish boysm they kill you. Now young man this will be crazy one job, one this, one that. Now young man this we be younger than me. We don't be mayor. Yes, now francophone. Now our brother that way they kill you. They be francophone. Now anglophone that way they push una. Say take 100,000. You go kill it because he deserve the nation Cameroon. Eh? Younger than me even. That means I feel be mayor. Yes. We don't click for una say una come out of the bush. Una the still continue the key what brothers him. This mayor na francophone. Na anglophone this. Una don't kill you. Una don't win. Una not discover say una remember being not destructive for una self. Wonderful. Yesterday again for the BLM, I don't sing my head. They sing my head. Military enter. They enter. They enter. The foolish Lestico. He come from Menji. Place who don't sing them. Say me this speaking. They try for rescue their life. The young picking them where they be talk with me on phone just about a month ago. And they try for make possible means for extract them out of that bush. They enter yesterday. Military enter there. As I be the lead na the 8 soldiers. They kill the 5. Where they? If he left now with 3, they on the run. You see how they always place na this picking them for front. So they kill them. If you follow this platform very well, una will see the rusted pipes them where they don't extract them for Seat of Wisdom College, our mother college for BLM. They don't go cut all the pipes them where they link water to the institution. Cut all pipe them for anywhere. Cut people they ask them for moto for take and fabricate this nonsense. We there for 2020 people then they go fabricate these local weapons. Huh? For 4 years now, who they support una? Now which nation they support una? Una still there for Bush to do this thing. Una be ready for the suicide, eh? I they see. Una be ready for the suicide. Una they take this rusted material. And either Yeke don't run go. See the kidnap people they hide for Bush. Me, I did tell una. Even yesterday, Oliver called me. I did take this this platform today. For try for say any man way if he send this message so they reach for Alieke, Oliver Lekeaka, Agwo Oscar Nkeng, and Roma Nkengasong Romanos for Allah. You get Zifak Fontenella, Vincent, Steve for Letia, and Kamaja Clovis. When I try for tell them, may they save their life. May they try for save their life. My country people, wait till day for this thing where not the end. Some foolish part them, some wish part them. They don't sit down for the work community. They whether they don't use now wish tie these people them for dango. Because I talk with this speaking them. I talk with them just of recent. I talk with them. Now that part, they don't influence them. Maybe they do what they don't do. Fight. Una go win. Una tell them, maybe they carry this gun. We get buy riders them. We get their nurse them. We get their doctors them. We get people the way they do their money, mobile money transaction. We get all these people the way they do this nonsense. Today, I get for sunshine some people there. They say they do this thing like say the President Biya don't over they get pity for these people them. The earlier peace come back, we start our lives. We not remain under frustration. So we dey for DDR, we not continue the kidnap our loved ones behind. We not continue the key. Huh? Look, this mayor for Manfe we don't key. Never una brother na francophone. They give the administration for una there for Bush, una they run now who the one row, huh? Una define leadership, una come na. Una not sit there for that una amber position for Bush. At the beg una not sit there for that una amber position for Bush. As I the talk for this platform today, if that various people they not adjust or level, I the assure una say they will get it hot. The dragon, I want to start vomit the fire. As from today, I want to start vomit the fire, and I will start vomit the fire for sunshine some part them way they cause them, they kill them brothers them for Menji Lekeng. I get for bring the names them. Now the series of names in this way I get them for my before here. May not be let's say with the clown for this thing. And I beg the Cameroon secret police where they wash we life for go on and things as the military sit there for Menji Lekeng. May they try for take these people them because these guys them when they come they will run go for bush and these various people them these bike riders these their nurse where they shoot them now they take care these their doctors them these their mobile money people them and these their spy them women lady and men where they there for this process. I go sunshine this name them. Because for inside this Lebialam, you get 3 subdivisions. You get Alo, you get Wabani, and then you get Menji. For inside, they don't set up this council them where they extort money from this council them. You get crime they right up to selling people their farms them where it don't they happen for day. And I know that people the way they don't buy those people their farms away, Amber don't sell them for them. Will they come on that? I know the people the way they don't buy these farms them. I know the people the way they do their mobile money. I know their nurse them. I know their doctors them. I know their bike rider them and their drivers and where they transport material from Chang. I beg una this thing don't go to an extent where I will give una shorter time. They say the government it is slow. And it is slow. It is way now on we. They the key na my brothers them. I talk with this speaking them. I talk with them. I talk with the picking them. Yes. So I will go straight away. I want to call this name them for Menji Lekeng. Since as the military see there for day, make the secret police they work with them. They sort out this part. They make the nonsense end for day. May Ayeke it take the rubbish. It go to wheresoever it want go. You get for the Amber foolish council where it there for Menji Lekeng precisely for Menji. This Menji Lekeng they na inside our law. Na inside our law subdivision. You get the president for the foolish Amber Council where they don't put them for day. You get Techa Michael. I repeat it again. Techa Michael alias Nkema for Menji Lekeng. You get for lift this our brothers in peace. Because when we remain for quarter, now we the influences speaking them, let their parents them say they carry these rusted pipes and they go after the military. Escape they will get any exchange with the military when they enter. Huh? You get I see repeat very well this president for council for Menji Lekeng, Techa Michael. You be very careful. I inform the authorities. May they take note of this part. Techa Michael alias Nkema for. You get his secretary. His secretary na Asa Pius Anangacha. Asa Pius Anangacha. Now his secretary that for Menji Lekeng precisely for Alo. Secretary. For Amber Foolish Council for Menji Lekeng, you get Asa Pius Anangacha. Now the secretary that for the Foolish Council where they did. You get their treasurer when Zifak Eric alias Ndoe. Una day for back. Una know me very well. Una know me very well. No Makizano day for that una place way past me. Una know me very well. I talk this thing never be 1 month. Una see the disaster where una don't cause them for what picking them. But they can't the key what picking them because una they collect that money. Una take and they enrich una save them for day. They don't broke the house. They carry the things them. They can't sell them now for una. It day for una house. It day for una house them. We know that one very well. As we don't institute this council for men because na they am by bread basket for day. Now for day we much money they come up for day. Now for day you get palm plantation, you get cocoa plantation, all one not a day for day. We don't make amber it can't concentrate for you because the money we they go around cash people them for ransom and other people the way they need to pay my trip to Boya. You go straight away for their messenger where they worker, give people them convocation. I hear say their convocation now they be na 10,000. You get Nkamcha Josh. Now their messenger that Nkamcha Josh. Yes. You get Patrick Atiasong. Then for Lekeng Market CSF where the military enter for day, you get for Lekeng CSF where the military enter for day, you get Nkamgula Fak Ambrose. Nkamgula Fak Ambrose. Nkam Ngolafak Ambrose. I mean, Nkam Ngolafak Ambrose. Nkam Ngolafak Ambrose. This name is why I don't call them so. Now the names are that way, the day inside Menjilekun, where they don't influence Ayeke for station for day, me they can't kill this my brothers them. They kill my 5 brothers them, where are they over regret. This drunk away when they see so where I feel show when my country people them. Now Vince in this, now Zifak Vince in Fonchenala this. When a teacher for Allah, this teacher where he did for Allah, he and Nkamaja Clovis, they don't Oliver Leke, he don't put them for that side for Nkwinbin, he did around Nkwinbin and Nkwinbin Letia, Medza, Njilap. Around Jenaum. So these people them are the big una country people una our platform this at the time una for the information we una the give we una still contribute for chase out these people them why I don't show una their images them. So if una see Zifak Fontenela Vincent una kashi after this broadcast they will display my number on the screen. I think some of the una never still get my number. My number is 68. My number is 68 6820 40 755. If you want to take the number, please. 6820 40 755. Yes. If this community for Menjilekun, if una they work with me, as una run the work, if una see Zifak Fontenela Vincent and Clovis, now these people them say allo market in go function, Nkanga song Romanos and the rest, una catch them if possible, una give we the information, we tell the military their whereabouts. I know go shit down for here, I get nonsense, I know go day for here. Anything happen for the BLM. I give una very short time. Say the BLM will come back. Man will not put down a gun. He know where he will find himself. That one will be very clear. I don't come today now because of all this nonsense where my junior brothers and where they be talk for me and this by the influence of this part them. They killed them yesterday. Yes, they are now with 3 people. Now, Commander Nana for 3 fighters, I see the talk. Therefore, he get for base now for kidnapping. He just get for go hide for bush. He come cash una take money, go sleep for bush. I beg una give us the information, country people, my country people. Since as una run the work with we thank the effort where una they do am for give we for the information. Move sunshine these people them. Yes, me the madness come to an end because I don't see say would pity them. For beg them, say me they come. He just did let's say with the fear, we need the